Alright YouTube, back with another video here. This will be a quick video because I haven't seen anyone really talk about this. Basically converting these LEDs. I'm trying to convert the whole car to LEDs. So as you can see, I already did the driver's side. I mean, the difference between it is, you know, night and day. I haven't seen anyone make a video about taking out these stupid plastic tabs because it is somewhat difficult and weird. So I think the best way to do it, how I'm doing it, is you get a small flathead and try to pry the sides until you get like an access to the side of it, and then use it. So you're using two flathead, then use this flathead to kind of push in, and it would lift this bottom one up, and then you stick another flathead in there, because basically what's happening is there's two tabs that's holding this in. So you just keep prying. You're gonna push this so it pushes this out, and then you go under here and pry it up, and it should release both tabs. But it's a precarious procedure, so you have to keep prying and obviously try not to break the plastic that holds this. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. All right, so I got it out. Basically, this is what it's gonna look like. There's two tabs on it. Sorry, it's a good angle. There's two tabs on it, just like that. Focus like that. So it's all be held on like that. Basically, like I said, you just gotta keep prying on it, and the messed up part is it's hard to avoid, but you're gonna kind of damage it just because of prying it. But I don't see any other way of getting it out. I think it's like literally the only way you can really get that thing out, because it's in there. Simple as it might seem, which, I mean, it's not hard, but just getting off that initial plastic tab without breaking it is somewhat difficult, because there's a lot of prying and moving and shifting. But yeah, I mean, you'll get it off. Basically, here are the LEDs. Right here is this from Amazon. I think this was like $8 for like 6 of them, I think. I'll leave the link in the description below though. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and replace it right now. All you gotta do is just use the flathead again and pry it off. So we'll go ahead and do that real quick. See, just go to the back and pry forward, and it should want to come off. But like I said, you gotta kind of finesse it. A bit. So either under it, on top of it, you gotta try to pry it. There you go. Sorry, you can't really see much of that, but you're just prying it really away from the contacts. Like that. And then just basically pull it out. That being said, you shove in the new one like how the old one is. As you can see, this one is not lighting up. This is a great example, actually. See how it's not lighting up when it's touching the contacts? So at that point, you gotta reverse the polarity. So take it back out and just literally flip it upside down, and then once you make contact, it should light up just like that. So don't think it's like it's not working. Just reverse the polarity, and then all you gotta do now is just basically shove it in. It's hard to do with one hand, so give me a second here. All right, there it is. You can see it's very bright compared to the other one. So all you gotta do after you put it on, I mean, all you gotta do is push it in. Obviously you put the bottom tab first. So you're putting it on bottom first, and then you just kind of shove the top one in there, because it should just go in just like that. Oh, there you go. A little bit of finesse, and there you go. There's the complete thing. As you can see, this is way brighter than the other one. I just gotta clean this mirror because it's extremely dirty, but basically it's the same procedure for all. You're gonna end up like damaging the bottom of it. It's just, I don't see any other way, because you gotta pry it. So yeah, that's all you gotta do. But until next time, YouTube.